everyone, my name is Munazza Murad Khan and I am from Standard 6A. Today I am singing a song. It is dedicated to our Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So let's start. La 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 la.